Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Rockville local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we want to make your life easier when you're planning a long-distance move to Rockville. Whether you're moving a few hundred miles or across the entire country, you can trust our team to be with you every step of the way. We offer guaranteed moving dates, reliable service, and professional movers who will treat your things with the proper care and attention. We even offer additional services like full-service moving, which includes packing up your things in Rockville and helping you unpack in your new house. Get a quote today. Even just moving across town in Rockville can be a big hassle, especially if you have a family and a busy schedule. Interstate move to McLean in Washington, D.C. from Rockville can also be considered local moves. This type of move is a little more complex, so don't stress about arranging a DIY move and spending the whole weekend moving into your new home. 3 Movers is here to help. Our expert movers are always available for local moving in Rockville, and we offer affordable and transparent pricing, a fleet of reliable trucks and vans, and an unbeatable dedication to customer satisfaction. Get in touch now to see the 3 Movers difference for yourself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rockville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.